Hi, Soul Tribe. Happy Halloween. Happy Samhain. A lot of you have already been reaching out to me this morning asking about the insane energies as if they could get any crazier. They seem to be ramping up even more. So know that you're not alone. Things definitely are happening. As I mentioned to someone earlier, the shit is about to hit the proverbial fan. So all of you know what to do. This is exactly what we've been waiting for. This is what we've come for. We knew this would come. We just didn't know when. Here it is, okay? Know that on the other side, everything is going to be okay. Dig in deep. Dig in deep to Gaia. Ground yourself. Spend the day in meditation. That's what this day is for. Our Samhain, our holiday, and it's also a full moon. This is a day to spend in meditation. Spend in connection to the all that is. Spend in connection with your guides. Set your intention for what you want to see on November 3rd. Okay? A big red wave is coming. We're going to save this earth. This is the first step. Okay? Set your intention for what you want. Get out there and vote if you have not done already. Okay? This is the only chance we're going to get at this right now. Do we want to delay this ascension for 50 years? Oh, sure, it'll happen. It's going to happen. But do we really want to delay it another 50 years like we've already done? Then get out there and vote and make sure that you have a say in this. This is the direct trajectory toward the ascension if we do what we know we need to do. And it's looking good, and I'm feeling really good about everything. Granted, the ascension is going to happen no matter what, but again, if we want a direct trajectory to it, we need to do this. We need to take care of this. We need to vote for the forces of light and keep them in power. Okay? This is what we're feeling. The darkness knows its days are numbered forever. They've already been absolutely decimated. They know this is it. We've been saying for quite a while it's game 7. Well, guess what? We were wrong. This is game 7. And guess what? It's going to be interesting over the next few days, maybe even weeks. Don't worry. You're going to see things you've never thought you would see in America as they fight, as they try to prevent us from knowing the truth. Digging deep. This is why you came to Earth. If the internet goes down, we'll be together in spirit. If the internet is up, many of us will do our best to stay in contact, okay? Know that it is all in divine order. This is our time. People have to wake up. How long does it last? Well, when are people going to wake up? We want as many people to come along on this journey as possible. This is what you're feeling today, the currents. We know what's coming, okay? Every National Guard member is activated in this country. It's going to be okay. Don't be scared. You may want to stay home for a few days, okay? It's going to be a little bumpy, but everything is going to be fine. You're always meant where you're meant to be, and you will be safe. Hold the higher vibration of 5D. That's where we're going. This is 3D. This is chaos. None of this is real. None of this is real. And while we're connected into this 3D matrix in our physical bodies, we're holding that 5D consciousness already. We're holding that consciousness so that is what we are going to see unfold in the weeks and months and years to come. We're done with this 3D war, greed, hate machine. We're done with being hijacked. We're done. And some people maybe aren't done, and they can do it for another 26,000 years, but we're done. And we are going to ascend with this beautiful earth and with this beautiful solar system. We're ready. Okay? It's going to come slowly. Okay? We're not going to wake up one day and we're in the new earth, as much as we wish we could do that. It's not how it works. We want to include as many people as we can. Okay? So, all hands on deck. This is it. Hold the higher vibration. The veils are very thin on this Samhain, Halloween, as they always are the next couple days. And the full moon only sheds light even more upon that which has been hidden. Your voice is needed. Your vibration is needed. You are holding this vibration for the collective of humanity. It has never been more important. You are so important, each one of you who are listening to this. And you know what? If this doesn't work for you, fine. You don't need to listen to me. But if you know that this pertains to you, all hands on deck. Let's hold this vibration of 5D. Let's get it over the finish line, and then we can start to see where we end up. Incremental steps, one step at a time, one moment at a time. I know we want the whole enchilada all at once, right? But one step at a time. We've got to get across the finish line of Tuesday. Let's take that step first. That's a big step. There have been many, 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 many steps as we have been moving through this ascension. This is a big one. You need to hold your collective vibration in 5D. Do not be drawn into fear. Do not be drawn into chaos. Do not be drawn into disbelief. Everything that you're going to see in the next few days, maybe even weeks, is going to be untruth. The media has already hijacked the truth for eons. Now it's only coming out on the surface, and everybody can see what is happening, and this needs to happen. Don't be in despair. All this needs to be revealed. It has to. Because if the people don't know, this can happen again. This tyranny can happen again if the people don't wake up and know. You are the way showers. You are the light workers, the light bringers. You are holding that door open for everyone in humanity. You are shining that light. And you are so needed right now, right here. You're doing wonderful things. Together we're holding this vibration. We can do this. So I'm sending love to all of you. We're all family. We are back from Atlantis, and here we are doing it. This time we're doing it. Let's get across this first finish line, and then we'll worry about where we go from there. Hold that vibration in 5D. Don't get drawn into the mainstream craziness. Meditate today. It's very, very, very important that you connect into the quantum field today. It's already done there. The new earth already exists there in the quantum field. We just have to move toward it. Okay? We've got this. So, happy Samhain, Halloween. Celebrate. Enjoy your life. Meditate. Connect into that family of light that is there waiting for us to notice. And most of us do, most of us are, but sometimes we forget. We get busy with our lives. We get worried about what's going on in the outside world, the chaos. Hold that vibe in 5D. We're holding it for the collective. And more people are going to wake up. We're at critical mass. We are almost at critical mass. Hold that faith. We've got this. New Earth is just around the corner, and each and every one of us are going to be needed to build it. I love you. Again, have a wonderful day.